फीडबॅक.
या
फीडबॅक तुमचं जे गायडन्स आहे, तुम्ही जे मार्गदर्शन केलं आहे करिअर बद्दल आणि एक्झॅक्टली कोणती
तुमचं व्हॉइस गेलाय, व्हॉइस नाहीये. आय एम नॉट एबल टू हिअर यू. आवाज नाही येत.
हॅलो.
हा आता येतोय, आता आवाज येतोय.
अच्छा
हो हो
झालं का रेकॉर्डिंग?
नाही सुरू ते मी एडिट करेल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. तुम्ही द्या, तुम्ही दोघंही बोला, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. किंवा मृण्मयीला पाहिजे, मृण्मयीला पण बोलू द्या.
मृण्मयी बोलते का? बोला मृण्मयी.
मला आता कळलंय की म्हणजे मला पुढे जाऊन काय करायचंय आणि मग तुम्ही जे एक्स्ट्रा सांगितलेलं जे न्यूजपेपर्स हे सगळं वाचायला, रीडिंग करायला, न्यू लँग्वेज शिकायला, ते सगळं मी करीन पुढे जाऊन. सो थँक्यू.
मी डेफिनेटली फीडबॅक देईन की फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आम्ही जेव्हा ऐकलं की हे प्रोफेशनली आपण गायडन्स घेऊ शकतो आणि जेव्हा आमचं तुमच्याबरोबर फर्स्ट इंटरॅक्शन झालं आणि राईट फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड तो जो इंटरॅक्शन होता, तो जो पिरियड होता, त्याच्यामध्ये आम्हाला खूप काही माहिती पडलं related to Mrinmay's characteristics, and it was exactly what you told, whatever tool you used, but that was really great, and it gave us a proper guidance in understanding Mrinmay's characteristics. Earlier we had a little doubt on what exactly she should do, but with your mentoring and with your guiding, I think so now we are very clear, and I think so your feedback and the way you delivered this overall 2 meetings and this with the help of your PDF file and that reports, it is really informative, and I think so it is good that we got you as our counselor, because there are, as I told you earlier also, there were a lot of online counselings which people do, but authenticity is really something which is important, because today everything is online, and I being from the IT world, me learning and development मध्ये आहे Capgeminiच्या, आणि therefore I do a lot of online stuff. त्यामुळे मला ऑनलाईन भरपूर माहिती होतं, पण एक्झॅक्टली कोणाकडे जायचं, आणि आय थिंक सो these 2 meetings really helped us in guiding and taking a lot of decision with respect to college, which college we should go. Amity University, that is one of the options which we were not at all aware. Exams, whether she should do classes, she should not do classes. The kind of information you gave about reading editorials, TED Talks, actually I should have given that information, but it never struck my mind. Although I keep doing a lot of courses, but pertaining to my field. So now I have a free account also which I can give it to her, which organization gives me. So a very good session, I would say, and I would recommend your name to many of my friends and colleagues in my organization, because they also have their kids doing their career, and probably they may need your information. So I'll definitely share your number with your permission.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So really helpful, and I think probably we will definitely get in touch with you in case if we face any challenges and we are a little confused, and of course we'll go professional way, and whatever is that.
Yeah, absolutely. You're more than welcome. Yeah.
So okay. I think so great.
Yeah.
So, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Yes,
thanks
yes. It was indeed very, very important feedback. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.